Check out this 2014 Nissan Pathfinder S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver adjustable lumbar, front head airbag, steering wheel audio controls, privacy glass, traction control, rear AC, rear spoiler, CD changer, and passenger airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.